Hello, and welcome to the world of zebra pen and Mildliners. I'm Christine of Twinkle Plans Her Day on Instagram. And Mildliners aren't just markers. They're tools that can help you plan your day, track your goals, or fuel your creativity. Let's take a look and see how they can do just that. Mildliners are double-sided. The first side is a chiseled tip, and the other side is a fine tip. They come in 25 different colors, but if that's too overwhelming for the first timer, you can always start with a pack of 5. My guess is that you'll want to expand your collection. So they come in 5 different groups of 5. The groups are the fluorescent group, the deep and warm group, the bright group, the cool and refined group, and the friendly group. So let's say I want to plan my week. You can use a traditional planner or a notebook. I've chosen a color scheme that I like, and I like to switch it up week to week. But you can use the same colors every week if you like. You can assign a color for every member of your family or for an area of your life, such as blue for wellness or green for finances. So whenever I have someplace I need to be, I'll give myself a box to designate that event. So let's say I have a Zoom meeting in the morning and a meeting in the late afternoon. If I have chores to do, I will either give myself a bullet point to check off or lines. So Monday's already finished, and for Tuesday, I'll choose a different corresponding color. Let's say I have a meeting late morning, and if I wanted to remind myself that it's trash day, for example, I'll give myself a line on the top, like this. And if I have an event that will take place the entire evening, I'll give myself a larger box. Now the days are ready to be filled in. I can either go back and write in my plans in black or use the fine tip of my pen. And that's as simple as that. If you prefer an hourly layout for your planner, Mildliners are perfect for color blocking. Let's say I wanted to use red for work. I would just color in the hours that I'm going to be working, and I can see at a glance when I'm available. This is how a traditional color blocking schedule could look like. Here I used blue for leisure, green for Zooms, and yellow for chores. Now, if you prefer a bullet journal over a traditional planner, Mildliners can help you achieve a unique layout that works just for you. You can get creative with how you align your boxes. Let's say this could be used for a savings tracker or to track your workouts. This one could be used for a habit tracker. Don't be afraid to experiment and get creative. The possibilities are endless. I love using Mildliners to track my spending, and they're perfect for making charts. As if Mildliners weren't enough, now there are Mildliner brush pens. They come in a pack of 15 glorious colors. It's like having a paintbrush at the end of your pen. It makes lettering super easy. And if you lay the brush on its side ever so slightly and just tap the page like this, you get a teardrop effect. You can play around with this and get some very fun floral designs. I hope you've enjoyed these tips today, and I can't wait to see what you do with your Mildliners. Thank you so much for watching.